Before handing your device for repair to someone else or a stranger, it is recommended to switch to maintenance mode so all your personal apps and data are protected so no one else can access that. So I'm going to show you how to enable and then exit maintenance mode. To quickly turn on maintenance mode, let's open up settings, scroll down for device care, scroll down till the end, and there is your maintenance mode. Just tap on it. If you want, you can check out all these instructions, what happens in maintenance mode, and if you're okay with that, just tap on turn on. If you want to create a log before your phone restarts to maintenance mode, you can keep this option checked. And lastly, just tap on restart, and if you have a screen lock enabled, you'll be prompted, just put down your screen lock. Just wait patiently for a couple of minutes to turn on maintenance mode. Your phone will restart and you will see the maintenance mode right at the left bottom on your screen. Now, whenever you are on maintenance mode, only some pre-installed apps are visible. Even then, no one can access your gallery. There will be no photos or videos and no files in the My Files section, so that no one but you can access those. When your work is done and you want to get back to your normal mode, simply open up settings and go back to the same maintenance mode on the device care section. And also you can just swipe down notification panel, tap on the notification to exit and then to restart. Put on your screen lock if prompted, and this will also restart your S25 out of the maintenance mode. And that's pretty much how you can enable and then disable maintenance mode on your S25. Thanks for watching.